nti na fe wo mo de ne nam ahemfuni nyina so se obiara enye de sorry o say ya wakoto na odu 18 na your friend is saying onu wi in 1836 no na Kaku dia the first very good they dey bond di ene na mu so obia nsan na wabeye part obia nsan na wabeye part e federal baby na akoye force say wupa wumpo e say o sign the reason why e kokoye force ne say one sign ne ehu say saa wo hini na wu me kunkum nipa Britain for ni tumi say won boko akostop wo e na omo yes slave trade na paniere na omo ni tumi bia so mbeko ho akostop wo ntina say e force ahemfo no eno na ohini bi wa Polonia NZEMA efa no Kaku aka ye de bond no koye say onhwe na on sign nto otwen ya ye kenkan bibia e de kire no e kire na se no se so te ase a so bi ka kire wo say asase na ye wo de ana mra no a wodibu wo man no e be firi buroni no ho a na chese waton wo fa hudie
you're right
e de ama buroni no nti no pa de so ka se odenensa be hyase ya oboa ana osan ka kire wo mu aka asan ni nyina ne se onadwene ye nso omu nimi nyansa bia na omu de nkoasom na di ama won ho omu man ni nyina be kwa akɔhye abrofo na se na emra o kan asem we wie no na se abrofo no kɔ no mu kɔ prepare yie pa no mu di sojafo edos no mu ho de ne ba no so nti ye defeat no ene ye che no edi ni twa ne man ene ye de ne ba Cape Coast e ba be di nasem ye di nasem no na che se ye be bisa no ye di ugina de kam guilty or not guilty ena nana no e ka kire won se akonwa a wote so no ne nana no man kan kire ne se ye tumi di ukogina tumi foforo bi anim ne ye bisa wo se wodi fa na wodi bem na ne ya wonim ne se o man bi edi ne ho so nti o man foforo entumi enkwakire o man bi so hene mfa ne nkogina ba bi se wudi nasem nti woni asem bi aka ti se ye bekunu a yenkuno nti ukridi the gallery of celebrities by ISFC e kira wo se this Kaku aka no of NZEMA
Kaku aka
NZEMA for Kaku no mkan Kaku Kaku aka me bon NZEMA din so wo ba lutwi de no wen Kaku aka ana mfante for se Kaku akai sa na omu ekan nti e ba be di na sam wa mie na no na ye condemn no ye sentence no to death the ntro bi twa eto no so kunkum nipa wo ye say to death na ye tell so ba solitary confinement nti wo da hwa for about 6 years and no wu in the abrofo no ka say he was a great man nti me yesie no castle ho Cape Coast castle
after just after refusing to
sign the bond and also
to succumb to their laws.
Yes,
they put him in solitary confinement.
Yes,
and after that, almost a great man.
Or a great man, say
he was able
to defend his conscience. Now we read the history. I say, sir, illiterate African chief, new international law of sovereignty. That one sovereign is not bigger than the other sovereign. Very simple.
And the omu and to so buapa e de ni tu omu.
Sana.
Broni ya bro papa.
That sovereignty ni be no. And as I say, between ECOWAS and Niger, no.
Yeah.
Say Niger is a sovereign state. The government has not broken down. There has been a successful coup d'etat, and are buying for Fraban to omu more. Unless they have invited you, can't go there.
You can't go there.
Until that sovereignty.
Until ECOWAS would bring military there and so now just talk. They haven't been able to enforce anything. Anyway,
until no, omu who say I pay you be onim nyansa. Now the significant thing that I spend the time ewo Kaku aka hono and say the same family no of Freeman. And no moon so many years later. The nana
Kwame Nkrumah
e be free mo aba no abeje wo man we say mu o se ne nana Kaku aka say mfantefo na ton wo mfa ahodie so from 6 March 1844 o man we kokoshe abrofo no ase and then 6 March 1957 another anona man agona person from the NZEMA area will come and redeem the country. That is the significance between the 2
Kwame Nkrumah ni nana ene Kwame Nkrumah
ni nana ene Kwame Nkrumah ina ya agunafo
na me busawo de di twam ekọ nkensen aka onu nso free ho baby
very good time ye che Kwaku aka no edom on so hini ko baby history ne de e bobo onu nko adi na mo bi kro dom be oha ana 200 didi ne chi esom no a muntumi nsan ko biom ko ye gina konya ne de ma different two altogether to mo e ba be ka ha no won pitin bebre ebi no be ka akra baby e fa ne mayira konya ne ye nzema
fo mayira koto
na yi konkensa na ka asefo no se ye Kwaku aka nkrofo enibe na woti di bi te se himanaka sa Cape Coast edin no safo ni nyina ye Kwaku aka nasefo
eja ento aso